Good afternoon, YouTube. This is a new, well, let's say not cold start because it is Tuesday afternoon. The weather is beautiful. It's like 15-20 degrees now. But I'm gonna cold start my Mustang. It hasn't been running for 2 weeks or so. And then I will change the wheels because I still have the winter wheels on it. So it's like little tiny 13 inches. They just look way too tiny on it. So I'm gonna start it now. Well, I don't know, sometimes it has to crank forever or sometimes it just starts right up, so I'll see. So let's do it. So now we are now in neutral, as you can see. Key in. I turn it on. That's the fasten belt signal, so it will turn off very soon, like right now. Alright, so one, can you see that? I don't even know if you can see that. One pump, choke is set, a little gas, and let's do it. Oh, almost. Without gas. Oh, I'm gonna pump it. Here we go. After 10 days, nice, she did well. So let's do a little workaround. I'm sorry for you cranking fans. Sometimes it just has to crank for 5 minutes, but I do not have my camera with me, so did not. Oh God. Well, right. One thing that sucks is that I don't have a garage for it. I only have one. Oh, fuck you. Alright, maybe know something for you cranking fans. Yep. Right, so now everybody's happy. Cranking fans, Ford fans, Chevy fans too, maybe, like me. Yeah, cause you guys, you know, I'm a Chevy fan. I bought that as a daily driver. It is now for sale. So if there is anybody in Switzerland that wants to buy it, because I do live in Switzerland, so alright. It should keep running now. I hope so. You better. So what I was saying is that she has to stay outside because I only have one garage and I have to rent it for something like $80 US per month, so I just don't have enough money to rent two of them. But as you can see, she is staying pretty clean, except for one spot. It's my neighbor, that's my goddamn fucking bastard neighbor. That bit, I don't know if you can see it here. He just, you know, with his key and all. Alright, so as I told you, I have to change the tires. My God, I'm sorry for my terrible English accent. I haven't been speaking English for quite a while, since my mother tongue is French. Well, so I said now I gotta change the tires. So here are the 14 inches rims that I'm gonna put on, so let's do it. So that is the tiny 13 inches with the winter tires on it. What's left of it at least. That bitch was really hard to untie. I don't even know if I can spin it with the hand now. Nope, not even. This one is. Right. So, next. Right. This one. It's a damn pain in the ass with a little jack. And I got 3 more to go. Fuck. One. Much better looking, eh? That's one side. Much better, eh? One. Well, let's do the other one. What a pain in the ass. Almost 3. There you go. God. Right. We're done. Finally. Damn, I'm sweating. You don't even imagine. So, now like 20 degrees or so. Well, that's one good thing done. Have a nice day.